This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable dark theme on the Google website. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have my browser opened up now. To enable dark theme on Google, first thing you want to do is go to google.com. Then in the upper right hand corner you want to make sure that you're logged in. You'll see your little profile icon up here. You want to make sure that you're logged in. Then the next thing you want to do is go down to the lower right hand corner, down to where it says Settings, and click on Settings. And right here you'll see Dark Theme. As you can see, mine is currently off, but if I click on that, now I have enabled Dark Theme. That is how to enable Dark Theme on Google. Thanks for watching.